So what are antibodies? Well, antibodies are just Y-shaped proteins produced by certain white blood cells called lymphocytes. They target the antigens, which are proteins located on the pathogens, and this allows some white blood cells called phagocytes to eat the pathogens. Occasionally, some antibodies can kill the pathogens as well. However, our antibodies are not efficient at destroying all pathogens, which is why we're resorting to newly discovered shark antibodies. But why shark antibodies? Why not antibodies from chickens or cows? Well, shark antibodies are effective as they are able to access areas of antigens that were previously inaccessible for our human antibodies. This is because a shark antibody is about 1/10 the size of a human antibody. Sharks also have an advanced adaptive immune system, which allows it to easily produce antibodies that can target pathogens ours can't. There is also evidence to support that shark antibodies are more effective at targeting pathogens than our antibodies. One example is with malaria. Malaria invades our red blood cells and lives off it. Many different shark antibodies were able to stop the malaria parasite's growth almost completely. Scientists at La Trobe also try to find a shark antibody capable of targeting CXCR4, which is associated with many cancers and diseases, like HIV and fibrosis. They conducted experiments with rats, and they were successfully able to find a shark antibody that could attach to the antigen. This is good progress, as we can see more breakthroughs like this in the near future. Okay, so we can use shark antibodies, but are there other animals who have antibodies that exhibit similar properties and size to shark antibodies? Well, scientists in Washington have gone into research into camel antibodies. They have done some trials and found it capable of targeting tumor cells. They are also more stable and can survive harsh conditions in the cell, just like shark antibodies.